Question 1. Two functions are defined by fx and gx. Find the fg and gf. Okay, so let's look at this. Fx is 2x minus 1 and gx is x over x plus 1. Now we need to find fgx. Okay, so fx is 2x minus 1. If fy, it will be 2y minus 1. Fz will be 2z minus 1. Fball will be 2ball minus 1. Fgx will be 2gx minus 1. So fgx is 2gx minus 1. So here you just have to sub the gx in and expand it. So here we get 2x over x plus 1 minus 1, right? Okay, so since this is a fraction, we want to make the denominator same. So you will get x plus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, this is 1 over 1. So both up and down you times x plus 1 lah. Okay, so we get 2x minus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So 2x minus x is x minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, here we need to write the condition. So since our denominator has an x, your denominator cannot be 0. So how to make this 0? If x is negative 1, negative 1 plus 1 will give us 0, right? So x cannot take negative 1. Because when x is negative 1, your denominator will become 0. And denominator of a fraction cannot be 0 because it will be undefined. Okay, so you must state this condition. Sometimes this alone is 1 mark. Okay, next. GF. So gx is x over x plus 1. Gy will be y over y plus 1. Gz will be z over z plus 1. So gfx will be fx over fx plus 1. Okay, and fx is 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1 plus 1. So 2x minus 1, negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So divide by 2x. Here also we must write the condition. Because denominator got x. Whenever denominator got x, right, you must write the condition. So in this case, how to make the denominator 0 when x is 0? Okay, because 2 times 0 will get us 0. So denominator cannot be 0, therefore x cannot take 0. Okay, right. Alright, next, B. Oh, wait, let's write this down. So, fgx equals to x minus 1 over x plus 1. And gfx is 2x minus 1 over 2x. Okay, now we can delete. Alright, B. fg2. So let's write down fgx first. Fgx is x minus 1 over x plus 1. So fgx is x minus 1, x plus 1. Fg2 will be 2 minus 1 over 2 plus 1. Two minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get 3. This is our answer. And then GF negative 1 over 2. So before that, let's look at what is GFX. GFX is 2x minus 1 over 2x. So GF negative 1 over 2 will be 2 times negative 1 over 2 minus 1. And then, GF negative 1 over 2 will be 2 negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 times negative 1 over 2. So all these x value you must sub with negative 1 over 2. Alright, 2 and 2 can cancel off. So on top here you will get negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2. Down here so you can cancel off, you get negative 1. So the answer is 2. Right, next let's look at C. The value of x when fg is gf. So fgx equals to gfx. So fgx is x minus 1 over x plus 1. And gfx is 2x minus 1 over 2x. So we have to solve this. Whenever you get fraction equal to fraction, you can just do it by cross multiplying. Okay, we just cross multiply, we'll get the answer. So 2x times x minus 1 equals to 2x minus 1 times x plus 1. Expanding this, 2x times x is 2x square, 2x times 1 is plus 2x minus x minus 1. So then we can simplify this. 2x square minus 2x square, okay, this one we bring there, minus 2x, this one so we bring over that side, minus 2x, the x we bring there become plus x, negative 1 we can leave it here lah. Okay, negative 1 no need to bring. So this is the equal sign, we leave the negative 1 on the right. Okay, so 2x cancels off, minus 2x plus x. So minus 2 plus 1. Okay, if you don't know, you can just type it in your calculator. Minus 2 plus 1. So we get negative 3x equals to negative 1. Therefore, x is negative 1 over negative 3, which is 1 over 3. That's it. This is our final answer.